Welcome once again. Let's talk about LUNC coin. Now, Teruna Classic have been trying to bounce back. Teruna Classic have been trying to start increasing. Remember, after experiencing weeks of continuous falling price, LUNC finally today hitting over 1.70% increase in price. And I see even I compared Teruna Classic today down to the past 2 days. You see that some people actually pumping some millions of dollars into Teruna Classic coin. Now, $5 Teruna Classic trading at $5. Yes, in the next 24 months, this plan for Teruna Classic to hit $5 in the next 24 months is not going to be possible if LUNC continue trading with the volume they have. Okay, and remember they have the supply of Teruna Classic is about almost 6.8 trillion Teruna Classic LUNC according to Teruna Classic bond portal, and according to coin market cap about 5.85 trillion coins. So this is the major problem. The major problem is that Teruna Classic cannot reach even 1 cent if LUNC keep trading this way. But for $1, yes, if LUNC can burn out all this. Now, there's a possibility of Teruna Classic even reaching $10 in future. There's a much possibility. This is a coin that was trading with over $110 price as of less than 1 year ago. And trading, let's say if the trading price of Teruna Classic hit $5, then just take a look at Teruna Classic supply. That means LUNC must have burned out all this supply. Now, that should be the major target, because I believe if we are targeting that $5 or $10, end of the day, Teruna Classic hit $1 or 10 cents. Definitely is a good one for me. It's a lot of profit. So $5 is possible, but Teruna Classic needs to burn out. Now, the only way they can burn Teruna Classic supply is by mass burn. Okay, I've been talking about this mass burn. Now, you might not understand what I'm trying to say. What I'm trying to say is that if Teruna Classic keep focusing on the tax burn, they might not end up burning up to 1 trillion within the next 2 years. Okay, that is to say almost 10 years is needed, or 12 years is needed for Teruna Classic to burn out their supply, which is a very long period of time. But even though the normal tax, Teruna Classic have been burning coins, including the tax burn, still yet we have not even hit 55 billion coins, not to talk of 100 billion or 1 trillion. And this is over 5 months, going to almost 6-7 months. Teruna Classic started burning even the tax burn. So that is the only way I think LUNC right now can really achieve more higher price is for the top holders, is for the founders to come together and plan on how they can reduce, how they can burn the supply of Teruna Classic LUNC. If it is for tax burn, yes, it will contribute, but it will take a very long period of time. If they want to focus on tax burn, if they want tax burn to help destroy trillions of Teruna Classic coin within a short period of time, then they must make sure that every exchange that listed Teruna Classic accepts the 1.2% tax burn, and also burn the one. They should just start burning immediately. Okay, Binance are doing that. So if all of them can come together and say we will be burning, Teruna Classic have a specific date for the burning of Teruna Classic using the tax burn, where different exchanges will be burning that same day. We'll be hearing these people burn 1 billion, this one burn 10 billion, crypto.com burning 20 billion, Binance burning 50 billion. That way, that set of date, that particular date, it will be every second, every third of every month. Let it be the day the tax burn from different exchanges will be burned, and LUNC can record over 200 billion bonds. There's a possibility, both the total burn, you discover that Teruna Classic can burn up to 500 billion coins within the first 1 or 2 months, which if you calculate this, in the next 1 year or 1.5 years or maximum 2 years, Tuna Classic will burn out all their water supply. Tuna Classic can hit $5, can even hit $10 if they have just few coins out there. And I believe, yes, there's a possibility they can achieve this. But remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision. Please kindly subscribe, turn on the notification button in order not to miss our next videos.